Okay. Papakahawak pa rin namin. Sir, dito po kayo, sir.
Hindi, doon na daw. Doon na.
Pero pakinggan lang natin kung sakali.
Nagkaroon ng dialogue. So Teddy will explain ano yung nangyari doon sa dialogo sa Office of the Secretary. Then Neri will explain ano yung mga kinaharap na mga legal issues.
Well, una, nais namin magpahayag ng dismaya na ayaw tanggapin ng Executive Director ng Secretary General's Office complaint. Ayon sa kanya, wala siyang authority to receive the complaint. Ang sabi namin, under the rules, ang complaint ay dapat pinafile sa Office of the Secretary General at hindi nagre-require ng presence ng Secretary General mismo para ito ay simpleng in a ministerial manner tanggapin ng kanyang opisina. At yun na nga, ayaw nilang tanggapin. So ang ginawa ho namin ay nag-iwan kami ng kopya doon sa opisina, and as far as the complainants are concerned, we have complied with the rules na final namin sa Secretary General ang aming complaint. At problemahin na lang po ni Secretary General when she arrives on Monday ang kanyang trabaho, ministerial work, na ito ay i-refer kaagad, i-transmit sa office ni Speaker D para ilagay sa order of business. So as far as we are concerned, we have done the necessary requirements. Hindi namin kasalanan kung absent ang inyong Secretary General. Under the Constitution, under the rules, it is enough that we submit to your office. At we expect that on Monday, this will be transmitted to the Office of the Speaker, and the Speaker will transmit it to the Committee on Rules para mailagay na ho sa order of business.
It was not received or signed.
Ayaw nilang i-receive.
So, ibig sabihin po yung e-file.
As far as
Neri
we are
will
concerned,
explain.
it is filed, it is served.
Neri, please explain ano yung legal issues.
Yes, well, na-discuss bago lang na ang requirements, verified complaint ng citizen at endorsement na fulfill na yon, ni hindi binanggit sa konstitusyon yung word na Secretary General. Ang House lang ang naglagay ng Secretary General, sinunod naman namin. Ang nakalagay doon, Office of the Secretary General. So sinunod pa rin namin yan sa office. Ang explanation ng Office of the Secretary General, wala dito physically ang Secretary General and hindi nila pwedeng tanggapin. Ang tanong, mayroon bang nagpo-prohibit sa inyo na tanggapin ito despite the rules of the House? Walang nabanggit na prohibition. So para sa amin, in fact, ang nag-deviate sa rules mismo ng House, yung Office ng Secretary. Kasi yun naman nakalagay sa rules. Kaya para sa amin, that impeachment complaint is deemed filed. Why? Because we delivered it to the Office of the Secretary General. Sa ilalim ng rules of court, pag hindi physically present yung subject ng isang papel like as court process, in this case, impeachment complaint, ang substituted service iwanan mo sa residence o sa office ng subject. Iniwan na namin, tinanggap naman, so para sa amin, it has been served by substituted service to the Office of the Secretary General following the rules of the House. Kami ang sumunod sa rules of the House at kung hindi susundin ng House ang sarili nilang rules, hindi dapat burden yan sa mga impeachment complainant, sa private citizen. So yan ang aming procedural na explanation ngayon. We have filed it by leaving a copy of the impeachment complaint with the Office of the Secretary General.
Sir, wala kayong...
Speaker,